Okay, guys, so let's get to installing some applications. We're going to start with Discord. So here's the terminal window, and here's something that's not going to work. Ready? Discord. Yeah. So installing Discord's a little more different. So this is Yaroot. This accesses the AUR. And this is what you need to install Discord, believe it or not. That simple command plus Discord at the end, and you're good to go. Now, I always install Better Discord because Better Discord is just so much better than your Discord. That's why it's called that, you know. Hit no and no to both edits. Hit continue. Oh, I hit T instead. Yeah, that happened. Sorry, 2. And no, no, yes. Yes. It's going to compile a few things, nothing you need to worry about. And nope. Nope. Yes. No, no. Be very careful when you hit no and stuff. No. Yes. Yes. It's going to install Clang. Go through all this stuff. It's going to compile a few things. And it's going to take a little bit. Now, for Spotify, you could use the exact same thing. Just replace Discord with Spotify. We're installing that next. I usually install a modified version of Spotify called Spotify DNS because I don't like ads. Ads annoy me. Come on, there we go. That was weird. This is just... How come things always happen like this to me when I'm recording? Why me? Compiling's not going to take long at all. The reason why it needs to compile stuff is because there's no actual version of Discord for Arch. It's got to convert things, so it's got to build the libcxx and stuff, and it never really takes very long. So just let it run and do something. Go surf the net. Up to you. See, it's done. Now that you've typed in the web page you're looking for at www and then you're done, it's already been installing your stuff. Yes. Yes. Downloading Discord right now. And yes. Yes. Thank you. So now it's going to compile Better Discord. And it's going to install Better Discord. And that's it. So now we have Discord right there. Done. Let's open it up on the other side. Alright. Next is Spotify. So as I said, Spotify. And I am going to install Spotify DNS. So not this one, but this one. So number 34. You type in 34. And once again, we're going to select no. Yes. It's going to do a bunch of stuff. I'm going to install the Spotify client first off from a .deb. That's from Ubuntu. It's going to convert it over. Done. So now when we hit Spotify, we're going to have 2, and I'm going to select Spotify DNS. Add to favorites. Okay. I wonder. Yeah, there is. Facebook Folly, Git, command line, a simple and beautiful desktop client. So I am going to grab that. 5. This is a desktop messenger client for Facebook. You want to grab that, you can. So messenger for desktop. Alright, so you have that. For your RuneScape fans out there, same thing. RuneScape launcher. Choose one. This is for NXT, so this is the newest version. I think you're getting the point of this. And no, you're saying, but you're using terminal. I am trying to show you how to get apps if add and remove does not work. So this is OS Buddy. Okay. Hit no. Hit no. Hit yes. Hit yes. There you go. You have both RS3 and OS Buddy installed. Okay, so add to favorite and add to favorite. And also add to favorite. Pretty simple, right? Now, if you're a junkie for media, okay, you're a Plex guy, installing Plex is sort of as easy. Where's the damn thing? That's Plex Media Player. You're going to need Plex Media Server. Now, if you have Plex Pass, you grab 77 instead of 76. So we're going to install 76 because I don't have Plex Pass. And no, yes. And that's it. Downloads, installs, sets up, and you're done. Now you are going to need to set this up, but I'm going to do that in another video because setting up Plex is a bit different, really, in reality, and it's going to take me a bit. Alright, but we're still going to let this do its thing. So we're almost back to what we had before. This is how I like my dock. Move all these over. Spotify always comes first, followed by OBS, and then RuneScape, then Discord. This does not belong here. This does, and so does this. I always like having terminal last on the end. This should be over here, so we're going to go into tweak why that's doing its thing in the background. See? And extensions. Dash dock, and move the application launcher to that side. Okay, that easy. Now this is going to take a while to download because this is grabbing the RPM from the Fedora servers. Okay, so at this point you should be able to install any application that you need to. And I don't know what I'm going to do in the next video, but at this point, everything is pretty self-explanatory. Really, you should have enough knowledge to be able to do whatever you need to do. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to have a great day, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.